somebody guys, if you want to Fruit Boys, Lover Boy.
Massive Fruit Boys.
Oh, massive for Fruit Boys.
4 Fruit Boys.
Okay, Lover Boy, massive, skin. Ingoma bashayela dope kakhulu guys. Dope asilalanga, glad. Konke amanga guys ngoma but still abantu banyuka abantu bangena abantu. I play with the song. He said December. He said December.
Remember to sweat this that.
Yeah, but abangani bami phela bangenyuka bazofanga abangani bami. Bazongena abangani bami phela. Bazongena abangani bami phela. Let's go.
Come on, let's do this, man. Why not?
Why?
Buy food.
Yeah?
20.
Eddie, the song is gonna play. The song is gonna play. This will feel like people to be like couple up. First, ngibona live ngabafona ngeqala nqa.
Siyamhlanje. Ohlezi lapho sikhathi. Keep his kanyiwe la.
Yeah, okay. So 50.
50, yeah, 50.
Direct 50.
Let's go.
I'll eat pizza correct. Okay, let's go. In 5.
Chance win.
4.
Ingoma. Nganyuye.
2.
Ezokuba ngayo. Wow. Wait. guys. Sneeze.
Kona hits, Laman, hits. Sino boy?
Kuthiwa dlula ngendlela umuzi wakiwe nami ngavele ngangena ngaphakathi. Kuthiwa dlula ngendlela umuzi wakiwe nami ngavele ngangena ngaphakathi. Ngithi njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane. Ngithi njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane. Ngithi njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane. Ngithi njalo nje Kithi njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane. Kithi njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane. Oh, yeah. Njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane. 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 Njalo nje kunimbizo kamakhelwane.
My name is Loverboy on all social platforms. It's Loverboy_RSA on TikTok, Loverboy_RSA on Instagram, also on Facebook.
Okay, guys. Shout out to Kamtala. Being news like kind of like a glimpse or a snippet. Love you guys. See you when I see you guys. So when I can say Friday, these guys will be there. I can say Friday. Love you guys. Love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. So I love you guys. I love you guys so much.